Welcome to this series of Think Mathematics Without Formula. This series is very useful for the students from standard 5 to 10 in developing their IQs and activity based learning. So let's start with a very simple addition problem first. So this is a question taken for addition. Students are advised to pause the videos and solve this. If they are not able to solve, then please verify with me. Students, here it is the sum of 3-digit numbers. The digit given are A, B, C. Next one is also A, B, C and A, B, C. Addition of these three is giving the result C, C, C. We need to find the sum of A plus B plus C. For that, we first need to calculate the value of A, value of B, and value of C. For that, we shall start thinking what could be the possible values of A, B, C. Here it is given that A, B, C are three distinct digits. Means the digit that starts from 0 to 9. So value of ABC could be any digit from 0 to 9 and we have to search that. Now if we start from the unit digit of the numbers which is to be added and unit digit of the sum obtained, here we can say C plus C plus C shall give us a number whose unit digit is C. Means it is possible that the resultant sum can have some carry also. So that is important. Now this simply tells that on adding the left hand side 3 times of C shall give a number whose unit digit is C. For that we have to think for the digit C. Therefore, we have to search for those values of C which can satisfy this. And the value of C should be the digit from 0 to 9. So we are free to take this C is equals to 0. If we are taking C is equals to 0, then left hand side is 3 into 0. What we are getting? It is 0. Okay. Means we are getting the right hand side or this sum as 0. Now, if we are using C is equals to 0, then whether this sum can hold good or not. Okay. So the possible values of C that we can think for is a 0. Now we shall think more. Is there any other possible value of C? So let us try. If I am taking C is equals to 1, then we can say 3 into 1 which can give us 3. No, because the unit digit for the number to be added is 1, but the unit digit of the result that we are going to get is 3. So this is not possible. Therefore, C cannot be 1. Now, if I am taking C is equals to 2, so this way we have to give the trial. Then let us say 3 into 2, it is 6. Again The number to be added have the unit digit 2, but the sum that we are obtaining have unit digit 6. It is not possible. Now, if we are taking C is equals to 3, again let us try with C is equals to 3. What we are going to get? So this can give us 3 into 3, it is 9. Again, it is 3, but the unit digit of this sum we can get in this case is 9. So 3 is also not possible. Now let us try with the other value. C is equals to 4. How long we have to try? What are the digits? Digits from 0 to 9. So only these 10 trials we have to give. So we need not worry. Once we practice more questions, we can very quickly identify. If we are taking this 4, 3 into 4 is going to give us 12. Okay, in this case, we are getting the carry, but the unit digit of this sum is 2, but the unit digit of the number which are going to be added is 4. So this is also not possible. If we are taking C is equals to 5, then 3 into 5 is 15. Yes, it appears correct because the unit digit of number that we are going to add is 5 and the sum we obtained is also 5. It means this C is equals to 5 is possible as for 0 we have observed. So the other possible value of C once was 0, another is the 5. Okay, we shall give more trial so that all the possible digit can be checked. So let's take C is equals to 6. We can get 3 into 6 is 18. It is not possible. C is equals to 7. Then 3 into 7 is 21. Again, it is not possible. C is equals to 8. 3 into 8, 24. Again, it is not possible. Then C is equals to 9. 3 into 9, 27. Again, it is not possible because the unit digit of the sum we are obtaining is 7, but the unit digit of the number added is 9. So this way we are getting that the possible values of C could be 0 and 5. Now we shall think a bit more whether this 0 is possible or not, or whether this 5 is possible only. For that, if we observe carefully, then we can say that if C is equals to 0, this implies the sum value is our C, it becomes 0, 0, 0. So the sum is 0. It simply means all the three numbers, that is A, B, C, must be 0. So all these three are 0. It simply means A is equals to 0, B is equals to 0, then only C is equals to 0. But what is given in this problem? That these A, B, C are three distinct digits. It is given in the problem. So therefore, but A, B, C are distinct. Therefore, this C cannot be 0. So therefore, the possible value of C could be only and only 5. So it is the only possible value of C. This way C we have obtained. Now in similar fashion, we have to search for B and A. But while searching this C is equals to 5, here we are getting that it gives a carry of 1 also. So that is another important thing. So therefore, if we are going to apply the addition rule for tens place, then this carry 1 have to be taken care. So now let us go for applying for the tens digit. Again, for tens digit, we have the number, or we have the digit BBB, and this sum shall also have the digit C. In this case, this carry 1 also have to be taken care. Considering all these conditions, we can write B plus B plus the B plus the carry. Here the carry is 1 that we have obtained. This shall give a number with digit C. It is for this C. This is this C. But still it can give the carry. It simply means 3B plus 1 shall give a number with digit C. Now, whatever the C we have obtained, that can be used here. It means this shall be a number with unit digit 5. It means this 3B shall give a number minus 1. While the digit 5 at unit place for the tens place digit, it means it shall produce a number with unit digit 4. Now we have to search for this B. So B in multiple of 3 which have unit digit 4. Applying the trial same manner as we have done for C, we can quickly tell it is followed only and only for 3 8 is 24. So quickly you can assess this 3 into 8 can only give us the unit digit 4 with this 2 as the carry. So this way, this trial are very easy. You have to just go for the multiple of 3 so that the unit digit shall come as 4, and whatever coming here, it will act as carry. So this 8 is like B, therefore B is 8, and our carry for the hundreds digit is 2. So this way B is determined. Now let us go for the 100 digit. In this case, we are getting that these 3A have to be added to give the C only. But C is a digit and there is no more digit before the C in the result. Therefore, in this case, again we have to think for this A, which is going to add 3 times to give the number C only. In this case, C need not be the unit digit of number, rather the sum of 3A should be C only. Means we can write A plus A plus A. The carry is here too. So this carry is even more important. So plus 2 shall give us C. In this case, this is the C. And before this C, which is at the 100 place, there is no any more digit. So this C shall not give any carry. So it will be a unit digit only. It simply means 3A plus 2 should be the value of C that we have determined is our 5. So they simply mean 3A is equals to 5 minus 2. They simply mean A value is 3 by 3. It is our 1. So this way we have obtained first the value of C, then the value of B, then the value of A, just by thinking what is the logic of addition. Nothing else is required in this case. So this way ABC is determined, and the question is for us is for the sum of this digit ABC. Therefore, the sum means A plus B plus C. This required sum is given by substitute 1 plus B is our 8 plus 5, it is our 14. So 14 is the answer. It was so simple. There are other ways of thinking these questions also. So such questions are very simple where we have to give the trial, we have to think. This gives the mental exercise and a student start thinking. So such questions are tried by students again and again. A student, there is other way of thinking also. One student may think that after determining this C in the very first stage, rather than going for this B and A, they may start thinking that whatever the A and B value that we need, the C value is always 3. It means we need such a number whose sum is CCC, means 555. So that can also be taken as method 2. Just write as a hint. By that method, just taking the value of C, one can say AB3 means ABC is 3 times. So we can write A, B, but C is our 5. This is going to give us 3 times. Should give us, or one may put this C as it is here. Taking this C as it is 555. So dividing by 3, we are able to get A, B, C. It is 1 time. Then it is 25. 8 times 24, then 5 times. So just by determining the C, we can determine A, B, C here. So this, equating this, we are able to get A is equals to 1, B is equals to 8. So by knowing this, A is equals to 1, B is equals to 8. Again, we can substitute in this A plus B plus C to get the same answer, 1 plus 8 plus 5. That will give us 40. So it was so simple kind of addition. The purpose is to make the student think. So these are thinking based question, and these are very useful for all the student in developing their IQs. So at least you try such questions at least one, at least every week. At least if you are able to do daily, that is the best thing. Okay, hope you might have enjoyed this concept. The same thing is also written in this slide. Now, by knowing this concept, you are advised to try this question, where some of the digits are given and some of the digits are unknown. It is like this: P24 plus Q5 plus R7 is S06. Then we have to determine the value of PQRS. It is possible to have more than one values. The other important thing given in the question is that this digit should be used only once, and digit always varies from 0 to 9. By this way, you are advised to solve this question and post your answer in the comment box. So please do not forget. By this way, your thinking skill is developed, which will be very useful for your academics. Further, for more such concepts, you may subscribe our channel. With all this, thank you. So, thanks a lot.